Hi everyone, so the topic for today is drawing using numbers. We'll learn how to create this whole picture just by using few numbers. So let's start. So the very first number we are going to use is the number 2. We are going to create a duck by using the number 2. So for that, write a big 2. Then draw a curved line inside, and from the same point draw another curved line, and again a big curved line connecting the other end of the two. So we are done with this. Now we'll make the eye of the bird. For that you just need to make a small circle. Now for the beak we are going to use an inverted V. Now inside use the connecting U's. Then for the water again use a wavy line, and again one more wavy line, and again one wavy line to show the boundary of the water and the sky. Now we are going to make a baby duck. For that repeat the same process. A 2 and a curved line, again a curved line, and again a big curved line connecting the corners, a beak using V and a dot, and again a wavy line. Now we'll draw the boat using the number 4 and 1. First write the top part of the 4, that is a diagonal, a horizontal and a vertical line joined. Again join a horizontal line from the end, and again a diagonal, and again extend a horizontal line, and again a diagonal. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use some spiral lines inside. Done with the spiral lines, now we'll add the number 1 at the top part of the board. So write the ones. Now we are going to make the cloud. For the cloud we are going to use the number 3. So write 1 3, again 1 3, again 1 3 this side, and again 1 3 at the bottom. And see, our cloud is ready. Again one cloud, again we are using the number 3 here. So we are done with the cloud as well. So we'll add some more wavy lines to show water. Yeah, so we are done. Now we'll color this whole picture. So the first color I'm using is the color blue. So you have to use the color light blue in a horizontal stroke. Do it very lightly and maintain it within the boundary. Now for the bottom part of the sky we are going to use the color yellow. Again use the color yellow very lightly. Yeah, we are done with the yellow color as well. Mix a little the yellow and the blue color. Now color the places where you can see the white space. Then take your color dark blue, color the corners, then fill the color inside. So we are done with the cloud. Now again take your color light blue and color the bird. Start coloring the corners dark and the middle part lighter. So you can see I'm using the color very lightly just for the tint of the blue. Again the use color it darkly, and again go light. So it's like a dark to light. The same process for the baby duck. Now color the beak. Now we'll color the boat. For that you need your color brown. Fill the color inside, and for top part only color the strokes. We are done with the boat as well. Now take your color light blue and color the water. Again use your light blue very lightly. Only the corners will be dark and the middle portion will be very light. Okay, so do it with patience. Now take your color dark blue and color all the waves, color all the water waves. And we are done.